Have you ever wondered how you could put your phone to the best use? Well, no more need to worry. With this, you will realize how you can put your phone to the best use and use it to earn more money and be wealthier. Keep calm and watch till the end. With the current era, almost everyone has a smartphone. But it's not about social media, watching videos, and listening to music. Neither is it about the size of the phone or the price. It's about the value you get from that phone. Most of the time, your phone gets old when you have not got the value you purchased it. You should use it to add value to yourself and earn more money. Below are the 4 ways through which you can use your phone productively. Use it to read books. Reading is a good habit. Develop a habit and it will make you. You could download PDFs from internet and use e-reader Prestigio. It's the one I recommend because for it can even read for you when you're tired and you're having a cup of coffee. Use your phone to run your online businesses. You can use your phone to manage your websites and all your online accounts, even writing blogs. This will increase on your income. For any information or help about this, you will comment in the description. Also use it to take pictures of amazing backgrounds, probably nature. There are websites out there which want these photos, and if you could take them, then you can actually sell them. One of them is Pexels. You can open an account with them. You can also use your phone to open a YouTube account and offer advice to people, or if you have a skill, showcase it. This will earn you customers in case you come up with anything to sell online, such as ebooks or any other thing. More so, if people love your content, then YouTube will start paying you so that you keep producing that content. If you could add these on top of the things you have been using your phone for, then you will be getting the best value from your phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because every week we shall send you new content on how you can be the best and more successful in every field you undertake. Share with your friends and relatives on social media so that they don't miss out on this amazing content. The clock starts counting. Whatever decision you take counts most. Start now.